Namaste, good evening. Start by sitting with the legs crossed, back straight. Sit in Sukhasana. Close your eyes. Deep inhale, slow exhale. Once more, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. One Omkara, inhale. Patanjali Namana. Yogena Chittasya Padena Vacham Malam Sharirasya Cha Vaidyakena Yopakarotam Pravaram Muninam Patanjalim Pranjaliranatosmi. Chin Mudra. Eyes remain closed. Just watch your breath. Slow down the breathing. Calm your mind. Relax the body. Inhale, and as you exhale, slowly open your eyes. Let us take the belt. We will start with standing up. We'll take the belt and stand up. Make a big loop, pull it all the way till the end. Okay. And hold the belt. With your hands open as wide as you can. Feet slightly apart. Take it right over your head. Fingertips facing the ceiling, palms facing front. Tuck your hips in, buttocks in, tighten your legs. Look in front of you, chin parallel to the ground. Keep stretching the arms out. We'll work on opening up the shoulders a little bit before in the warm-up. Keep pushing the arms towards the fingertips towards the ceiling and pushing the arms out away from each other. Keep breathing and hold it there. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly bring the belt down. Just make it a little bit smaller. From here, you're going to take the belt all the way behind you, open the palms outwards, and then bring it back to the front. Open the palm outwards as you roll it back all the way down and bring it back front 10 times. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax the arms. Once more, take the belt in front of you, holding it like this, open it up fully, hands behind the head fully. Take the right hand straight up behind the head, vertical, right hand is facing the ceiling, left hand is behind the body, pulling it away from you, and pull both the arms, keep your head up, chin parallel to the ground, pull both the arms behind you, tighten your legs, fingertips pointing out and up, keep pulling the right shoulder back and left shoulder away from the body and hold it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Same way, release, bring the hands back in front. Other side, take the left hand up, facing the ceiling, right hand behind you, away from the body. Point the fingers nicely. Left hand fingers pointing to the ceiling, right hand pointing away from you. Keep pulling both the arms away from the body. Keep the chin parallel to the ground. Don't lift it up or down. Keep breathing, expanding the chest, pulling the shoulders backwards. Hold it. Back and left shoulder up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slowly release. Now make the belt about halfway, two equal halves like this, with one side a loop, one side just the belt. Again, hold it in both the hands. Same thing what you did, shoulders back and down, extend the arms fully. Going to rotate, take it over the head from the left side, stretch it behind you, bring it in front on the right side. Then take it over the head on the right side, bring it around from the back and in front on the left side. Let's do 5 times on each side. Ready? Start. 1, bring it down to front. 2, open up the shoulders nicely and bring it to the front. 3, take it behind you, rotate the shoulders, bring it back. 4, push the arms away behind you, bring it back. 5, and 5 more times. Right hand over the head, bring it back. Left side over the head, bring it round. 3. 2 more times. 4. Nicely push it, extend the arms, try not to bend the elbow. And 5. And bring it back. Relax. Now you will hold the same length, and in front of you, just put it on your wrist. Extend the arms fully. In front of you, you will take both the arms like this, parallel. Right hand on top, left hand at the bottom, and like you're driving a steering wheel, left hand on top, right hand at the bottom. Begin. 1, 2, keep it tight, don't make the belt loose. 3, keep the tension in the belt. 4, arms are fully extended. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax. Release the belt. Hands, both hands in front of you. Make a fist. Point the index finger, and we'll do circles. Forward circles, 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Same way, reverse, keep the arms fully tight and stretch it out. 2, 3, 4, push it back all the way. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Release. Now take the hands behind your back, feet hip distance apart slightly, Roll the shoulders back and down. You just have to stretch the hands behind you. Pull it away from the body and keep lifting it up. Stay there. Feel the shoulders. Now twisting to your left side, push the hands to the right side. Twisting to your right side, push the hands to the left. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Take the belt again. Since the shoulders are warmed up, make it really small this time, as much as possible. Make it small. Put your hands through the belt so that it is around your wrist. Take it from behind you. It should be around your wrist. Now turn the palms to face each other. Pull the arms back, straighten the arms, feet hip distance. Inhale, pushing against the belt, arms are tight. Back bend, tighten your legs. Chest lifted up, fingertips moving to the ground. Exhale, go forward bend. Hands stay there behind your back and bend forward. Pull the arms over your head, keeping the arms tight. And drop your head. You can bend your knees slightly. Pull the arms as much as possible over the head. Again, inhale, pushing against the belt, tighten the arms, back bend. Exhale, you can bend your knees for the forward bend. Take the arms over the head as much as possible. Try to bring it towards the ground. 3 more rounds. Inhale, back bend, nicely tighten the arms. Exhale, forward bend. Inhale, back bend, feel the shoulders, feel the elbows tightening up. Exhale, forward bend. One more time, inhale, back bend. Exhale, forward bend. And slowly take off the belt, let that loop remain. And lie down on your mat. Lie down on the mat or on your blanket. Take the loop around the right foot. Left leg stays on the ground. Hold it in your right hand. You can make one roll like this. Right elbow stays on the ground, and with the belt in the right hand, you will make hip circles with a straight leg. 1, 2, 3, keeping the belt tight. 4, 5, 6, keep the leg tight, knees engaged. 7, 8, 9 and 10. Bring it back to 90 degrees. From here, reverse the direction, keeping the leg straight again. Take it from in to out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep going. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Take off the belt from the right foot, put it around the left foot. Straighten your right leg on the mat. Hold the belt in the left hand, elbow stays on the ground next to you, and start with outward circles first for the left leg, keeping it straight. Tighten the kneecap. 1, 2, 3, 4. Using the belt, pull it all the way in. 5, 6, and push against the belt to straighten the leg. 7, 8, 9 and 10. Bring it back up and reverse the direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now make the belt a little bigger. Last one. Take it around your calf muscles and tighten the just below the knee and tighten the belt so both the legs are tight together. Keep your hands on the ground and from here straighten the legs and you're going to make clockwise 8 circles and anti-clockwise 8 circles. Point your toes, tighten the legs against the belt, straighten the legs at 90 degrees, draw circles on the ceiling and start. 1, doesn't have to be till the ground, only on the ceiling. 2, 3, feel your lower back rolling on the mat as you do it. 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and reverse the direction. Last 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Slowly bend your knees, loosen the belt and take it off. Let us turn around. Come to Adho Mukha. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Walk your hands back towards the feet. Head down. Uttanasana. Inhale, come up. And exhale, release. Mukha Dhoti, 4 to 5 breaths. We start with Surya Namaskar. Front of the mat. Feet together. Body in a straight line. Shoulders rolled back, chin parallel to the ground. Hands in Namaskar Mudra. One breath, inhale. Long exhale. Hiranmayena patrena satyasya pihitam mukham tattvam pushannavarano satyadharmaya drishtai. Om Mitraya Namaha. 1, 2, 3, right leg back. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Om Ravai Namaha. 1. Back bend, stretch the sides of your body and pull the chest up. Exhale, fully head down. 2. Left leg back. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Om Suryaya Namaha. 1. Stretch all the way back, tighten your legs, push the hips forward, try to straighten the arms, look up at the ceiling, feel your abdomen as your chest is stretching up. Exhale, reach forward, head down, fully straighten the legs, try to get the hands beside the feet. Right leg back, all the way back. Chest open, look up. Press the palms, Dvipada. Tighten your hips, buttocks, legs, arms are engaged fully. Ashtanga Namaskara, hold your breath. Urdhva Mukha. Lift the chest up, shoulders back and down. Adho Mukha. Heels press down, keep pushing the body backwards. Hips moving back and up to the ceiling. Right leg forward. All the way, look up. Exhale, Uttanasana. Namaskara Sthiti. Om Bhanave Namaha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, left leg forward, 8, 9 and 10. Namaskar Sthiti. Take one deep inhale, slow exhale, and for the next 10 minutes you all are doing Surya Namaskar right and left on your own. You have 10 minutes, you can start. Do it at your own pace. There is no race. For 10 minutes you have to keep doing Surya Namaskar. Completely. Breathe in from the nostrils, breathe out, bending forward from your mouth. Slow down the breath. Relax the body. And come back on your mat. Stay in front. Inhale, hands up, Tadasana. Utkatasana. Keep your knees together, chest up, hips sitting down. Uttanasana. Again, Tadasana. Utkatasana. Uttanasana. Tadasana. Utkatasana. Uttanasana. 2 more rounds. Tadasana. Utkatasana. Uttanasana. Tadasana. Utkatasana. Uttanasana. Chaturanga Dandasana. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Feet close to each other, press the heels down, push the hips back and up, spread the fingers and press the palms. Adho Mukha to Urdhva Mukha, 5 rounds. Urdhva Mukha, inhale. Don't touch the mat. Adho Mukha. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Tighten the legs fully. Push the hips forward, lift the chest up. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha, last round. Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha. Heels down, take 2 to 3 breaths here, relax your breathing. Now inhale, right foot in the center, Ekapada Prasanasana. Hold your right ankle and come to Trikonasana. Left hand on the hip, turn the body nicely to the side. Tighten your legs completely. Get your balance, head back, shoulders open, left hand up to the ceiling. Keep lifting the fingers up. Keep pressing the outer edge of the left foot and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Left hand on the hip. From here, bend your right knee, keep holding the ankle, push the hip down, inhale, Ekapada Prasanasana. Take the left hand over the head, straighten the left arm, push the body open to the side, right knee near the right shoulder and hold for 10 more counts. Keep breathing. 1, straighten the left leg nicely, push all the weight backwards. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Come to Ekapada Prasanasana, Adho Mukha. Inhale and left foot in the center. Again hold your left ankle, straighten both the legs, right hand on the hip, push the shoulders and chest and head back, and right hand up to the ceiling. Keep pushing the right hip open, left hip forward, tighten the right leg, press the outer edge, pull the fingertips up and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right hand on the hip, bend your left knee, get it thigh parallel to the ground. Push the right hip down and take the right hand over the head. Look up at your right hand or look in front, straighten the right arm. Keep the left knee close to the left elbow. Tighten the right leg, press the outer edge and hold. 1, 2, Ekapada Prasanasana. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Come back to Ekapada Prasanasana and Adho Mukha Svanasana. Feet together, tighten the legs, tighten the arms, push the hips back. Once more, inhale, right foot in the center. Straighten both the legs. Stay on your fingertips. Lift your head up, pull it forward, push the right hip back. Inhale, stretching, lengthening the spine. On the exhale, Parshvottanasana. Drop your forehead to your right shin. Push the right hip back. Straighten both the legs completely. Hands, palms on the ground on either side of the right foot. Keep bringing your forehead or your nose to your right shin. Press the left heel completely and hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. From there, come to Ekapada Prasanasana. Drop the left knee. Now take the right hand under the right knee, right shoulder under the right knee. Press the right hand outside the right foot. Keep the left palm also on the ground. Inhale, lift your left knee off the ground. Shirapadasana. Bring your forehead towards the right toes or just pull it forward and down. If you have a block, you can keep it on the block or keep it on the blanket. If you don't, just push it down and hold it there. Keep tightening the left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly bring the right hand back. Ekapada Prasanasana, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Straighten the legs and this time inhale and bring the left foot in the front between the hands and straighten both the legs. Stay on your fingertips. Pull the spine forward, head forward. Keep tightening both the legs. That's very important. Push the left hip back. Inhale. On the exhale, press your palms down to the ground. Pull your forehead towards your left shin. Push the left hip back. Keep tightening both the kneecaps. Press the heel of the right leg. Keep breathing and stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly bend the right knee, drop the left, bend the left knee, drop the right knee on the ground. From here, take the left shoulder under the left knee, place the palm on the side of the left foot. Inhale, press both the palms down, straighten out the right leg. And on the exhale, bring the forehead to the left toes. Touch it to your toes. Keep tightening the right leg and pulling the head down and forward. Hold it. 1, Shirapadasana, other side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly release. Come back to Ekapada and go back to Adho Mukha. Push the hips back. Now inhale, take the right foot again in the center. Slowly straighten, keep the right knee bent and take your right hand about half a foot in front of the right leg. Stay on your fingertips. If you need to put a blanket there, you can get some height from that. Left hand on the hip. Slowly raise up the left leg, Ardha Chandrasana. Push the head back. Slowly as you lift the left leg up, tighten both the legs. Keep looking to the side. Let the left hand stay on the hip. Just straighten both the legs and stay there. Keep breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Ekapada Prasanasana, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhale and take the left foot in the center and take the left hand half a foot in front. Right hand on the hip. Slowly bring the right leg closer. Come up on the left leg. Take the right leg up. Turn the body to the right side. Straighten both the legs. Keep your head back. Let the right hand stay on the right hip. Keep tightening the leg. Opening up the right hip. And stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly bring the right leg down. Ekapada, Adho Mukha. From Adho Mukha, come to Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha, Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha. Last round, Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha. Knees down and Shashankasana. Sit back, stretch your hands out. Relax over there for a few seconds. Turn and lie down on your back. Again, take your belt. Make it a slightly bigger loop. Take the belt around your upper back, just under the armpit. Take it around the body, upper back. We'll do Navasana. Take it round both the feet. Adjust and tighten as much as you need. It should be on your upper back, just under the armpit. Both knees inside together. And from here, straightening the back, slowly lift the legs up. You can hold the belt first and straighten both the legs. Tighten the kneecaps, keep the back straight, shoulders open, toes pointing towards the ceiling in line with your forehead. You're holding the belt, sitting on your sit bones in the buttock, and keep breathing. Observe your abdominal section as you breathe. If you're balanced and steady, you can straighten the arms. Hold Navasana. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and from there slowly roll backward, very slowly without bending your knees. You can hold the belt and come to this position. Straighten the legs, tighten the belt little more, hands down, keep the legs there, keep holding. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, you can use your elbows or fingertips and come up one more time to Navasana. Straighten the legs, hold it there, hands up. This time, bring the legs up half an inch higher. Then straighten your back, chin parallel to the ground. Keep looking at your toes. Last round. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Last time. Go back on your back. Legs up at 90 degrees, hands down. Tighten the belt if you need to and hold it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly bend your knees and release the belt. Take it out. Now make the belt loop as wide as you can till the end of the belt. Supta Upavishta Konasana. Take it round both the feet. You're going to lie down on your back. Spread the legs out as much as possible. Keeping the legs tight. Keep tightening the legs against the belt. Belt should be tight. There should be no looseness in the belt. Turn your toes inwards. If you want, you can hold your toes. Pull the feet outwards. Push against the belt. Tighten as much as possible. Your sides of the legs, inside of the legs should all remain tight. Keep pulling the toes towards your face. Keep your chin down and hold it there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slowly Bend your knees, take off the belt, turn from this side and come to a seated position. Come here, Janu Shirsasana. Bend your right knee. Take the left leg out to the side a little bit. You can keep using the belt if you need to. Straighten out the left leg. Take the belt around the left foot. Hold it with your left hand. Turn your body to the right side. Bend your left elbow on the inside of the left knee. Open up the right knee to the side. Inhale. Right hand over your ear and bend over towards the left leg. Trying to reach the right hand to the left foot. Take it behind the head or over the head. Twist your body to face the ceiling. Right side. Keep straightening the left leg. Use the belt if you need to. Elbow on the inside of the left foot. Hold it and stay there. Prasarita Janu Shirsasana. Parivrita Janu Shirsasana. Hold it there. Keep breathing. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly release. Straighten out the right leg. Bend the left knee. Right leg little bit to the side. And take the belt around the right foot this time. If you can, hold your foot. Go ahead. Take the belt around the right foot. Hold it with the right hand. Straighten the back. Turn slightly towards your left side. Bend your right elbow on the inside of the right knee. Turn the body to face the left side. Inhale, take the left hand over your head. Keep straightening the right leg. Take the arm over the ear or behind the ear. Reach for your right foot and keep bending over sideways. Turn the body to the side. 1. Inhale and lengthen. Exhale and twist. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly release. Paschimottanasana. Get your feet together. You can use the belt again. Take it round your feet. Hold the belt. Inhale, straighten your back. On the exhale, bend your elbows towards the ground. Keep your chin up first. Try to get your chest on your thighs, pulling the spine forward, chin and head forward. Keep tightening the legs, toes facing up. Now inhale, lengthen as much as you can. On the exhale, try to drop your face on your knees or on your shin and push the head towards the toes. Keep breathing as you stay there. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly release the belt. Inhale and exhale. Lie down on your mat. Legs hip distance. Lie comfortably on your mat. You can keep the belt aside. Keep the left hand on your chest, right hand on your abdomen. Normal breathing. Just allow the body to relax. Slow down the breathing. We'll do 3 rounds of A, U, M, Kara and then 3 Omkaras. Eyes closed. Keep your gaze behind the forehead. Let's begin. Inhale. Observe the abdomen region as you are breathing out. Inhale. Last round, inhale. Observe the vibration in the abdomen region. Ukara. Breathe in. Observe the chest